Hello everyone. Today we are going to see equations reducible to a pair of linear equations in two variables, which means it will not be in the form of linear equation. We have to convert those equations into linear equations form. Then we can solve the equation. This is we are going to see today. So today chapter 3 and exercise 3.6. The same thing as I told, we can move on to the exercise, then we can see. Your first problem, 1 by 2x plus 1 by 3y equal to 2, 1 by 3x plus 1 by 2y equal to 13 by 6. Right? This is your equations. First let me take that 1 by x is equal to u, 1 by y equal to v. So how that equation will be? U by 2 plus v by 3 equal to 2. Take the LCM, which means 6. 3u plus 2v equal to by 6 equal to 2. So we have to cross multiply the 6 into 2. So 3u plus 2v equal to 12. This is our equation number 1. Right? Nothing. We have to take that 1 by x is equal to u, 1 by y equal to v. Then convert the equation into linear equations. Next, so after converting, your second equation, u by 3 plus v by 2 equal to 13 by 6. Right? The same thing here also we are going to take LCM of 3, 2. So 3 and 2 LCM is 6. So 2u plus 3v by 6 is equal to 13 by 6. 6 and 6 gets cancelled. 2u plus 3v equal to 13. This is your equation number 2. First step, we are going to make that u and v. Then we have to make the equation 1 and 2. The normal substitution method. Multiply equation number 1 by 3 and equation number 2 by 2. Then we are going to subtract. So what will become? 9u plus 6v equal to 36. 4u plus 6v equal to 26. Subtracting means we have to change the sign. So 9 minus 4, 5. Plus 6v and minus 6v gets cancelled. 36 minus 26 will give you 10. So 5u equal to 10. U equal to 10 by 5, which is 2. So u means 1 by x. 1 by x is equal to 2. Then what is the value of x? The reciprocal of 2 is 1 by 2. So x is equal to 1 by 2. Now what we are going to do? We are going to substitute the value of u. Remember, not the value of x, value of u in equation number 1. So 3 into 2 plus 2v equal to 12. 2v equal to 12 minus 6. 2v equal to 6 by 2, which is 3. So 1 by y equal to 3 because v equal to 1 by y. 1 by y equal to 3. So y equal to 1 by 3. Is it clear? So we found the value of x as well as the value of y. This is nothing but first we have to take that 1 by x is equal to u, 1 by y equal to v. Then finally substitution method we have to use. Then find the solution. Next subdivision. 2 by root x plus 3 by root y equal to 2. 4 by root x minus 9 by root y equal to minus 1. The same thing, but here what we are going to take? 1 by root x as u and 1 by root y as v. So what we will have? 2u plus 3v equal to 2. 4u minus 9v equal to minus 1. That is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Next what we are going to do? We have to solve, which means using the eliminating method, we have to solve anything. We have to cancel anything. So multiplying equation number 1 by 3, then adding by 2. So 6u plus 9v equal to 6. 4u minus 9v equal to minus 1. So plus 9v and minus 9v will get cancelled. 6 plus 4, 10u equal to 5. So equal to u equal to 5 by 10, which is 1 by 2. So u means 1 by root x. So 1 by root x is equal to 1 by 2. What is root x? 2. We have to find the value of x. So squaring on both the sides. So root x the whole square into 2 square, which means x is equal to 2 square, 4. So what is the value of x? 4. Next, substitute the value of u in equation number 1. So 2 into 1 by 2 plus 3v equal to 2. 1 plus 3v equal to 2. 3v equal to 2 minus 1, which is 1. So v is 1 by 3. So v means 1 by root y. So 1 by root y equal to 1 by 3. So root y equal to 3. We have to find the value of y. So squaring on both the sides. So y equal to 3 square. So y equal to 9. Hence the solution is x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 9. Is it clear? Here we are taking 1 by root x as u and 1 by root y as v. That is the only difference. Then your third subdivision, 4 by x plus 3y equal to 14, 3 by x minus 4y equal to 23. Let me take that 1 by x is equal to u, right? Here no other fractions, so simply 1 by x is equal to u. So 4u plus 3y as it is equal to 14, 3u minus 4y equal to 23. This is equation number 2. Is it clear? Here we are having only one fraction, that is 4 by x. So we are taking 1 by x as u. Y is remain as it is. So multiply the equation number 1 by 4 and equation number 2 by 3. So what we will get? 16u plus 12y equal to 56. 9u minus 12y equal to 69. 12y and 12y gets cancelled. 25u is equal to 125. So u equal to 125 divided by 25 will gives you 5. 1 by x means u. So 1 by x is equal to 5. So x is equal to, the reciprocal of 5 is 1 by 5. Is it clear? After transforming the equation, we are using eliminating method. We are eliminating any variable and we are using substitution method to substitute in any equation. So substitute u equal to 5 in equation number 1. So 4 into 5 plus 3y equal to 14. 20 plus 3y equal to 14. 3y equal to 14 minus 20. So y equal to minus 6 by 3. Y equal to minus 2. Hence the solution is x equal to 1 by 5 and y equal to minus 2. This is nothing but first we have to take that 1 by x is equal to u. Here y as it is we are going to keep. Then using the eliminating method, we are eliminating any variable. Then we are finding the value of another variable. Finally, we are using that substitution method and substituting the value and finding that solution. Next, your fourth subdivision, 5 by x minus 1 plus 1 by y minus 2 equal to 2, 6 by x minus 1 minus 3 by y minus 2 equal to 1. Here, 1 by x minus 1 equal to u, 1 by y minus 2 equal to v. Right? So simply what we are going to change? 5u plus v equal to 2, 6u minus 3v equal to 1. Equation 1 and 2. Now multiply the equation 1 by 3. 15u plus 3v equal to 6, 6u minus 3v equal to 1. The 3v gets cancelled, 21u equal to 7. Hence u is equal to 7 by 21. So u equal to 1 by 3. Is it clear? Simply we are eliminating. That's it. Next, 1 by x minus 1 equal to u. Right? So 1 by x minus 1 equal to, what is the value of u we found? 1 by 3. So 3 equal to x minus 1. So x is equal to 4. With the help of finding u, we found the value of ex. So here x is equal to 4. Next what we are going to do? Substitute u equal to 1 by 3 in equation 2. So 6u minus 3v equal to 1. This is equation number 2. 6 into in the place of u we are putting 1 by 3. So 2 minus 3v equal to 1. 3v equal to 1. v equal to 1 by 3. Next 1 by y minus 2 equal to v. In the place of v 1 by 3 we have to put. So y minus 2 equal to 3. Y equal to 3. The minus 2 will come this side plus 2. So y equal to 5. Hence we found the value of y. So x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 5. The major thing is you have to take the denominator fraction as u and v and using this eliminating method and using the substitution method. Fifth subdivision, 7x minus 2y by xy equal to 5. First we are going to simplify. This xy is common for 7x as well as 2y. So 7x by xy minus 2y by xy equal to 5. X and x gets cancelled. 7 by y minus 2 by x is equal to 5. Then the second equation, xy plus 7y by xy equal to 15. 8x by xy plus 7y by xy equal to 15. X and x gets cancelled. 8 by y plus 7 by x is equal to 15. This is your equation number 2. Which means now after simplification it becomes like a fraction. Right? Now we can do, let 1 by y equal to u and 1 by x is equal to v. Right? Here y we are taking 1 by y as u because this is the first fraction. So we are taking u. So 7u minus 2v equal to 5. This is equation 1. 8u plus 7v equal to 15. This is equation number 2. We are going to multiply equation 1 by 7 and equation 2 by 2. So 49u minus 14v equal to 35. 16u plus 14v equal to 30. 14 gets cancelled. So 65u equal to 65. U is equal to 65 divided by 65 will gives you 1. So we found the value of u as 1. Now what we have to do? We have to find the value of y. So 1 by y equal to u. So y equal to 1. Substitute the value of u equal to 1 in equation number 2. 8 plus 7b equal to 15. 7b is equal to 15 minus 8. So v equal to 15 minus 8 will gives you 7. So 7 by 7 which is 1. We found the value of v which is 1. So 1 by x is equal to v. What is the value of v? 1. 1 by x means 1 by 1 which is x is equal to 1. Next, your second question. Let the speed of Ritu in still water. Alright, the members are rowing the boat. Here the speed of Ritu is given x kilometer hour we are taking. Then the speed of current is y kilometer per hour. Now downstream means we have to add the speed of the person, which means speed of the water and speed of the current. Current means the flow of the water. So x plus y. Then what is the distance they have given in the question? 20 kilometer. So what is the time they have given? 2 hours they have given. Right, substituting distance by time formula. So speed in upstream equal to x minus y kilometer per hour. Then distance is equal to 4 kilometer. Time is equal to 2 hours. Upstream means minus, downstream means plus. So we are going to find x minus y equal to 4 by 2. X minus y equal to 2. This is equation number 2. So x plus y equal to 10. X minus y equal to 2. The plus y and minus y gets cancelled. So 2x is equal to 12. X is equal to 6. So we found the value of 6 here. Remember this, downstream means x plus y. We have to add the speed of the water and the speed of the current. Upstream means we have to subtract. Next we are going to substitute the equation. X is equal to 6 in equation number 1. X plus y equal to 10. So 6 plus y equal to 10. So y equal to 10 minus 6 which is 4. So the speed of rowing in still water is 6 kilometer per hour. The speed of the current is 4 kilometer per hour, which means our x and y. Remember this, upstream and downstream where we have to add and where we have to subtract. That is the important thing we have to know. Then the remaining thing is as usual. Simply we can substitute using that eliminating method. We are eliminating one variable and we are substituting. Next, your question number 2. A work has been done by a woman and a man. The details they have given. So let the time taken by one woman is x days and the time taken by one man is y days. Okay, we are taking. So according to the statement, what they are doing now? 2 men. So 2 by x plus 5 man. So 5 by y. The 1 day work of 2 women and 5. So 2 by x plus 5 by y equal to 1 by 4. Next, according to the second statement, 3 by x plus 6 by y equal to 1 by 3. So as we know that 1 by x is equal to u, 1 by y equal to v, form that equation 1 and 2. Next, what we are going to do? By eliminating method, we are going to eliminate. So 72u plus 180v equal to 9. 72u plus 144v equal to 8. Equation 1 is multiplied by 2 and 2 is multiplied by 1. So subtract. Then what we will get? 36v equal to 1. So v equal to 1 by 36. So 1 by y equal to v. So 1 by y equal to 1 by 36. So y equal to 36. Is it clear? Nothing we did. We taken as the women work and the men work as x and y, which means the time taken x and y. Then we normally substitute. Then v equal to 1 by 36. Substitute in our equation number 2. So 9u plus 18v equal to 1. 9u plus 18 into, substitute the value of v, which is 1 by 36, which is 1. So 9u plus 1 by 2 equal to 1. 9u is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2. So u equal to 1 by 18. So x is equal to 18. Time taken by one woman 18 days and one man is 36 days. Is it clear? Nothing we did. We alternate that statement into algebraic form. then normally we will take that 1 by x as u and 1 by y as v. Like that we took. Next we did that elimination method. Thank you so much for watching this video. The remaining thing we will continue in our next class. Thank you.